Hello mermaids, it has been way too long, like what, a week or two? 2 weeks, 3 weeks? Girl, you better get it together, Lex. Hello mermaids, if you are new, my name is Alexa Mac, Lexi Mac, Lex Mac, Alpha Alexa now as I switched my Instagram handle. What up? As you can see, I was very inspired to do purple. Actually, the whole main reason, so let's give a little story background. Check story time. Oops, I apologize. I'm so sorry. Midco Bill, honey. Absolutely not. She's a working woman, pays her own bills, buys her own drinks. Okay, I'm kidding. No, I don't. So anyways, let's get back to this. At my job, we do kind of theme Fridays, theme Saturdays, whatever, and we were doing fruit, and I was very inspired to do cherry, and this is what I came up with, very inspired by this headband. And today I used 2 palettes. I used my Modern Resonance, sorry, and I used the Urban Decay X Game of Thrones palette because it had very, very beautiful colors and shades in there. So these were the 2 main palettes I used. If you want to see what I have to say, how I got this look, just everything, then please keep on watching. Okay, mermaids, so let's just go straight into it. I am first going to start off with Modern Resonance because this has literally all, some of the shades. I was almost going to say all, just some of the shades that I need, but I am first gonna go into Love Letter right here with a Morphe X Jeffree Star JS6. So I'm gonna dip into her like so. Yes, ma'am. And I'm just going to, that mirror's very dirty. Hi. Okay, and then I'm just going to tap in here. Going to focus, just tapping. Doesn't matter if you're messy because we're gonna clean it up, blow her out. You already know. Tap, 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 tap. So how is everyone doing? I feel like I have been away again. It's like add a video 1 week and then forget about like the other, and then it's just really annoying, and I'm really, really sorry. Oh, she is annoying. Also, can we just appreciate my freaking phone case? Like, honey, iconic. I love it. I love it so, so much. I love it. I don't think I've ever done a purple tutorial on my channel, and I love purple for my eyes. It's definitely one of my favorite colors to do, and you can see on my face all done because I've already done 3 makeup looks. Yes, honey, you heard that right. 3. Why'd I do that face weird? 3. Okay. Yeah, so I have been booked and busy. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now I'm going to blend out a little bit with that same brush. Just like a tish. And I'm kind of getting way up in here as well. I'm just gonna blend this out with the bigger, fluffy brush with the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS8. It's just like a bigger, fluffy brush. I'm just going to do that to kind of blend everything out, and then I'm just going back in with some more, kind of tapping some more on there. I like to tilt my head a lot of times, kind of get up in the crease where I need to get up into. And then I'm gonna go into a mixture of Red Orchard and...
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number
I'm like really bad at pronouncing stuff sometimes when I don't know it, so sorry. With a JS, another Jeffree Star one, JS5. Big fluffy brush, I'm just going poop, 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 right up in there, and I'm just going to kind of blend it out. Make it kind of red. Kind of a dark purple because I'm really inspired by those looks, but like look at how big. Love that. So I'm just going like that. And then again, I'm just gonna blend it out with that one blending brush, the JS8, going all around. Okay. Cute. Okay, and now I'm actually gonna go into my Game of Thrones collaboration with Urban Decay, or now I'm gonna go in, I think it's vice versa, whatever, but I'm going into my baby, my Game of Thrones. I miss Game of Thrones so much. Makes me sad still. And I'm actually gonna go into these two right here. I'm gonna go into House Targaryen. Yes, ma'am. Pray to her. So I'm first gonna go into Stormborn. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys should like see my desk right now and everything. It's just like really crazy. Okay, so I'm going to go right on here like this. So pretty. I'm actually gonna go like kind of all the way up. And of course, you can cut the crease, you can do that, but sometimes I just like going in like this. And these names bring back so many memories. So many. Okay, so there's just some fallout, so I'm just going to wipe it away. Who am I with my face all done already? God, this is so gorgeous. Like, honestly, I don't think, if you got this palette and you're like a Game of Thrones fan, like, how much do you love it? Like, I'm literally obsessed. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so gorgeous. So I'm actually gonna go into Lannister Red right here, and I'm going to go into like a little brush like this, which is a JS13. Oh, I like went like this. Go like that. And then I'm just going to, it's a little darker, so I'm just going to kind of outline right up here before the shimmer to kind of give it that different look and feel. And I'm just going to again bring it down here. I'm going to bring a little bit onto here, just like a tish, not a lot, because I want that purple to still be there. Then I'm actually gonna go into Bend the Knee, such an iconic movie line by her. And I'm actually gonna go into my finger right here in the center to kind of bring that different dimension of purple. This is just a little lighter one, like a silver purple. The other one, of course, is like a legit purple, sparkle purple. Sparkle purple. Nice description, Lex. So I'm just going like this. Oh, love it. So gorgeous. Okay. Sorry, I kind of noticed that I really repeat a lot of this stuff that I say. Just like, don't take it personally. Thanks. I'm gonna just go into like a random brush that has a little stuff on it, but not too bad. And I'm just going to kind of blend everything together and smoke it out. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Make sure nothing looks weird. Oh, where did my big fluffy brush go? Where did my big fluffy brush go? I literally just had, oh, of course I put it in here. Literally like barely any fallout, but love that. Okay, and then I'm actually just gonna go straight into my lower lash line and do all that good stuff. And I barely went into my lower lash line. So you guys know I have a whole bunch of these colorful liners by ColourPop. I'm obsessed with them. I use them all the time. And I'm gonna go into, so they're called the BFF Cream Gel Liner, just to tell you. I think they're like $6, but I got like a whole pack here. I'll show you. So just like here's a few right here, all these different colors, which are really good and amazing, super pigmented, stay a very long time. I'm just gonna go into the pink one called Insomniac, which is me. I'm an insomniac, I swear. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I know you're probably like, pink, what the heck? Trust. Look at that. I'm just kind of bringing it like on my lash line and in my waterline. Okay, I need to do this like this. I'm gonna go back into that Lannister Red into the Game of Thrones palette, just like 2 little squirts of it. And I'm going to smoke it out just a little bit. Usually I do it like way more, but I really kind of liked this this more little look for me. So we are done with the eye look. This is it with everything without, you know, like the lashes and everything like that. But this is it. Do we like it? Like, I absolutely love purple eyeshadows. Like, they are literally my favorite to do of color. Green and purple are personally my favorite to do for me on my eyes because I have brown eyes and they really pop. But I'm going to do the other eye and I'm gonna put on my lashes and everything like that, and I will be right back. Okay, Mermaids, this is the finished look. I just did one eye off camera. For the lip, I added the Bite Beauty Chunti in the Lip Amuse, I think it is. I got it at Sephora for $12. Yes, you heard that right. And then my lashes are by Baddie B Lashes in the style Extra. So this is it up close. Yeah, but this is exactly what I did for my one photo that I added on Instagram, and I've been doing Makeogram Instagram tutorials now, so follow me on the gram at Alpha Alexa, because honey, I'm an alpha up in here, okay? I am the alpha. I am the main mermaid, okay? And I don't care, I'm gonna say it. Who else is gonna say it? Nope, no one, me. I'm just myself, and that is who I am, and that is what I believe in. So yeah, I mean, I was trying to think of something mermaid, whatever, but it just didn't go right. You know, like Alpha Alexa is just like, is just that biatch. Okay, mermaids, but before you go, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the noti bell. That was weird. Turn on your notifications bell so when I upload, you will get it right away. Hopefully and I don't even know, this is super random. I'm sorry, it just totally cut off, but like, I don't even know if this is right, if this is how it looks, but I'm not like a hair person like at all. But anyways, yeah. Ew, I hate saying but anyways. It literally bugs me so bad. My eyeballs are fried. Okay, that's besides the point. Anyways, bye mermaids. I will see you in my next video.